This video covers pedagogical strategies. You already have a wealth of pedagogical strategies in your toolkit. This video covers a few that we can use a lot in computational thinking, especially when working with code.org lessons. They include student-centered learning, direct instruction, the PRIM model, and problem solving. In student-centered learning, we want students to play, think, and code. Playing exercises students' critical thinking skills. Thinking and coding also helps students build on computational thinking concepts and powerful ideas. Direct instruction is also important. While time for play is important for the students, they also need direct instruction to help them make connections. For example, students need direct instruction to help them develop vocabulary for computational thinking. Direct instruction also reminds students to use their critical thinking skills. In the PRIM model, this represents different stages in developing programming skills. If you look at the wheel on the right, we have predict. This is where students think about what they want their given program to do, what they think it's going to do. And then they run the program to test that prediction. They also investigate by looking at each line of code and asking themselves what each line of code means, and then modify or edit the program to change what that program does. And then in the make stage, they use what they've learned to make a new problem or new program to solve a new problem. And lastly, we have problem solving. The three stages we want to focus on in problem solving is first understanding what problem needs to be solved. This helps students avoid just jumping in and doing some trial and error, but really having them think about what they need to do. And then to strategize possible steps to solve the problem. This stage involves decomposing the larger task into smaller tasks and building a solution. And then in programming, they will implement the solution by transforming the solution into a programming language for execution.